Welcome to another video on my driving robot Mydfir based on the fischertechnik robo interface, programmed in Python using robo RF data link, which is radio frequency, hence the RF. So the program runs not on the interface but via the interface on the laptop. And it's equipped with two line following sensors, two active sonars and two color sensors. And the color sensors and line following sensors give problems. Signaling is by means of lamps, optical and audio by the buzzer. The blue lamp is to recognize the blue colors, if it works, and the blue light is also if this sonar recognizes something, detects something is more appropriate, because it doesn't recognize, it only detects. And the red light is not just for both red colors, but also, well, one red color of course, although that is red as well, but not within that range. And it's also to show that this sonar has detected something. And green, well, is only for green. Now the question is what to do. Well, let's first see for the line following. This time daylight is totally different. No bright lights. So let's see whatever that gives. Let's power up the robot. Start program, and then give the recent modifications with shielding. So why does this happen? And now, because of this, I'm curious if there is a problem. No, there's no problem with... Oh, that's nice. I have to interrupt myself because somehow it loses the line. So then it is time to actually go to the software and see whatever is going on. Because usually it runs, it makes some kind of circle, and then it follows the line further or not. So let's see whatever happens this time. Right, so now the robot has come so far. Let's review some data. And it doesn't look quite promising, to be honest. But it has shown here a stop. So I have to look for detect, because in the algorithm imported to show, I have now said that if input is 0 and input 2 is 0 and line detect is, let me put that clear, smaller than 2, then do it. So what is detect? 1 and 2. Yeah, right. Last time that went wrong. It went up counting and counting and counting. So now it stops. And this one is line 2 correction. So not here, but here. And actually this is then no longer necessary. Which also implies now that it just breaks. I have to manually put it back on the line. So this can go. And effectively this can go. This can go. Oops. And this one can go. Alright. Save. And let's check whatever else is going on. No detect. Okay. So put it back on the line, centered. And now I'm also getting curious whatever an object may do. Putting it there. So let me show you. Alright, back here. And an object on the line in the middle. And since sonar has a cone that goes that way and that way, which is something about 30 degrees, I wonder what happens. So let's watch and see. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why does it do that? That looks as if one motor isn't running. One again. Yeah, okay, now they both run. Really? Pushing away the object. How nice. Alright, let's take away the object. That's going forward, that's going backwards. And now. Losing the line. That's going slowly left. Alright. Signaling the line. But go on. Okay. Now that's important. It clearly was signaling the line. So let me put the interface into action. And then motor 3. Okay, so here it is above the line, and regarding the input, it should be able to correct itself. However, and that was exactly the reason that I put a line detect in it, why doesn't it do so? So I am where? Slowly left, which is where? Here, slowly left. Alright, here I should, that's a better phrase, I should be able to break this. But how do I break that? Go to is a very bad way to do it. But it says while not. And it comes across, oh wait a minute, it says slowly left. So let's go to data. Ouch. This is unreadable. Absolutely unreadable. Nope. But how to make it go from slowly left to following the line again? And this is apparently nice enough to detect the line, but not to continue following the line. So that's an algorithm problem. Yikes. Alright, so flaw in the algorithm, but the question is how to change that, because using a go-to is generally considered to be bad programming. Oh wait, I can do this different. I can do this very different, because I can use functions. And then let's say define no line, or geen line in this case. Also define rechterkant. And then rechterkant should be rechterkant 1. Ja. And then oh, come on. Yep. And then the same goes for left side. And this way I can avoid very bad programming with GoTo if that even exists in Python. It does in BASIC. But I can just say, okay, if this, then go to this function. And I think that is a way better way of programming, putting things in function. So then I would say, instead of geen line, I would say this one, and put everything of this. Oh wait, that is not a good idea, because I do have to have conditions here. So then I would have to say here, this one. Yes. And then all of this will be in that function. I think that is the way to go. That saves me a whole lot of problems. And I can, in that way, I can say if line detect is smaller than 2. Oh, I can skip this and say if these both are 2, go to something like that's a good one. Where to go to then? Because you want to follow the line. So while not this, follow this. Yeah, enthusiastic, but some rethinking is still necessary. What to do exactly? But it's a nice start. So, apart from the current situation, I had to improve, correct some of the things. Robot hasn't moved yet, but at least now it doesn't give an error, apart from being, it can't be started when the interface is still running. So let's once again this is definitely I lost the line. And now step by step now input 1 is on the line, but I need, let's see, it's not yet there. Still not there. This is better. And now I need, oh, now this one should be on the line as well, but at least in this case it can go on. So back to the algorithm, and I'm talking about slowly left, which is right here. The wanted condition is 1010, not this one, 1011. And now I have here, so here 1011, but from 1011. So I'm now talking about this condition. From the right side of the line. This is the condition. So how do I get it to follow the line? Where is it exactly when it is going to be here? When does it stop? And here comes the problem, because right now the robot is in this position, but it can be in any position. Certainly not necessarily this one. It can be in a position of 360 degrees, different positions, and I can't possibly cover them all. And let me enhance the brightness. So, how to get on? That is a very good question, and unfortunately I can't answer that yet. But when it has the line, what I can do is, when I have those functions in place, say just after this one, because that is another one that I should have. Lijn volgen. And in that case, I can do exactly what I like. So let's say we are slowly left, and then in this case, stop it and say this, lijn volgen. Because right now I can't do that. And then I will be able to. So here it will go as well. Hopefully. So I hope to do that next time. And this is a way better solution. So for now, let's skip this one, disable it. But then I have to put everything like here. And the rest into the definition. Yes. that is the way to go. And right now time is running out once again, so I have to postpone. And by now you can see right here that sun is coming through, which will be affecting everything I have done. But the brightness corrections are still there, so who knows. Next time the improvements should have been implemented, and that will be very nice to see how that works out. I hope so. For now, anyway, let's run it, see if it does something anyway. And it leaves the line immediately, and that's still the problem. You can put it on the line and only this wheel is running. Now both are. And it's losing the line. So never mind. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, my channel. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion. Also, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And please support my blog by making a small donation via PayPal or Wired. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned as such. Very much appreciated. All information, including the URL of my website, is under this video. And this is of course going to be continued. For now, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.